One of the most useful additions you can make to your Jeep Wrangler, even if you're not constantly hitting the trail, this is Anvil Atlas. Today we're installing the Trailgater Table from Outback Adventure Products.
The first thing we're going to do is add the foam tape, then remove the factory plastic by pulling outward. Any remaining grain clips will be removed. Then we place the 9 blind nuts as the directions indicate. With the table in the open position, it's time to attach it. It's easier to do this with a second set of hands, but as you can see, I was able to do it on my own fairly simply. The instructions do warn against using power tools, but I used my drill just to get things started and then tightened up with my screwdriver. Be sure not to over tighten. Add the rubber grommets and remove the protective coating, and you're golden.
Well, that's all there is to it. Very simple install. I think maybe it took me 30 minutes, and that was me going at a pretty chill pace today. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that bell icon to be notified of more content. And remember, whether on the trail or on the road, I'll see you out there.